Welcome to an unboxing of the Magical Butter Kit and Promo Box. We begin with the Promo Box where you get 3 silicone spatulas. We have these filtration bags, they're called Purify filter bags, and you get 1 love glove which is clearly made for hands bigger than mine. Also sold separately is their butter tray, so you can make your own butters with it. This is actually really hard to find, and yes, that's upside down, Suzie. Now, you also have the Decarb Box. This is where it gets a bit controversial. This is used for working with recreational herbs. I'm going to be using culinary herbs, and I've yet to find out if I can actually use this for that purpose. So look at that, fancy pants. Okay, so when you buy the Magical Butter 2.0 machine, this is what you get inside. Okay, so inside you see a machine and some silicone. So here's the actual Magical Butter machine. Then you have a love glove like you saw before. And you get one of the Purify 190 filter bags. So basically what I'm going to use this for is for making all sorts of sauces and maybe lotions and potions and all sorts of things with herbalism. The great thing is the bags do come in a variety of, I guess, finenesses, which you will see here in just a second. So you can work with all sorts of different kinds of ingredients, which is very exciting. Magical Butter has assured me that there are all sorts of culinary adventures I can go on using their machine, since that's how I personally want to use it. I wanted you to be able to see what products you can get and what's included. My first adventure will be chocolate and bergamot tea. Thank you, Magical Butter.